A new doctor and a new procedure at Ascension Sacred Heart Bay could mean the difference between life and death. It greatly increases the treatment window for stroke patients. As News 13's Grace Velez tells us, hospital officials say the procedure is already saving lives.
Until now, the best option for doctors to treat a stroke patient's blood clot at Ascension Sacred Heart Bay was a drug. But there's a new staff physician that's able to perform a clot removal procedure that buys the patient extra time.
This is the first time we've started doing it in Panama City. Before that, every other hospital around here would have had to send the patient outside, like Pensacola or Tallahassee, and that takes about 2 to 3 hours minimum. That's a complete waste of time. So we can now save all that time and get the patient right here in our lab.
Dr. Saman Han says having this new service in-house means removing the clots in minutes rather than hours. And when it comes to strokes, every minute counts.
So it was adding a lot of time to their treatment, which meant a lot of death of brain cells, which meant less recovery.
Hospital officials say Dr. O'Kelly was the missing piece of the puzzle for this care expansion.
We have to build this platform around the doctor, and the doctor kind of takes over and does the procedure. So it's a pretty comprehensive plan. I've had it for a while now here at Ascension Bay, and we're so thrilled that it came to fruition as a team.
I come with a lot of experience in doing it, but now we can also train other physicians like me to do this procedure to try to, open this up and increase this access to this procedure.
Dr. O'Kelly says once a patient has a stroke, you have a 4.5-hour window to treat them using the drug option. The directness of the catheter procedure increases that window to 24 hours.
We're able to use small catheters and wires going through either the wrist or the groin up to their head, find where the clot is and remove them. For the majority of patients, that resolves their stroke symptoms. So as previously you had the remainder of your life with paralysis or other things, now you can be cured.
Since the program started in mid-December, the procedure has already saved 2 stroke victims.
Both went really well. We got the clot out of their brains and they went almost back to normal, actually pretty quickly after the procedures.
In Bay County, Grace Velez, News 13, Panhandle Strong.
The hospital also recently set up a pulmonology outpatient clinic and expanded orthopedic services with a new clinic down at Ascension Sacred Heart Gulf.